Today's recipe is Greek chicken wraps. Okay, we're going to take 2 chicken breasts and we're going to butterfly them, which means we're just going to cut them in half, which will give us 4 thinner chicken breasts, which will make it much quicker to cook when the time comes. Now this recipe can be done in a skillet or on the barbecue. We're going to do ours on the barbecue. Now we place the chicken into a freezer bag. And then we're going to add our marinade. So we're going to add some olive oil. And some lemon juice. Some balsamic vinegar. Some garlic. I like to add lots of garlic. Some dried basil, some cumin, some onion powder, sugar, salt, pepper, paprika, and oregano. And we're just gonna massage that into our chicken. And then we're just going to place that in the fridge for about 30 minutes. When you're ready to cook your chicken, just take it out of the fridge for about 20 minutes beforehand. We're going to grill it about 6-7 minutes per side. And when you're grilling, just make sure that you add your oil to your grates before you cook. Remove from the grill. And we'll let the chicken rest for a few minutes. And then we can slice our chicken. Now one breast, you could do about 1.5 wraps with 1 breast of chicken. So get your tortilla, and we're going to put some tzatziki on our tortilla shell. You can use any kind of tortilla shell. You could even use pita bread if you like. And then we're going to add some romaine lettuce. And again, you could add any other kind of lettuce if you like. Some red onion that's been thinly sliced. Some cucumbers. You could add any vegetables really with this recipe. Some tomatoes. I had some cherry tomatoes, and I just sliced them. Then add your chicken. And then some feta cheese on top. What's great about these wraps is really everybody could just assemble their own with what they like. And then we're going to just roll it up. And we'll cut that in half. And you can serve this with rice. You could serve this with If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.